that we did not make some updates of the forex because we have some very important uh, matters or uh, that we will preparing for other matters to be completed. And then now we have find time to go back to forex market. Okay, return to forex market. Okay, guys, we will make some technical analysis for the goal for today or even in the weekly forecast. Okay, guys, for the gold, since we will check this one, this is the highest price, and then the second price. Yes. So if we will consider this weekly, we're back to the monthly. This is the highest. Remember, okay. Monthly. So we consider this is the month of May. We choose some bearishness of the candle, but the uh, the bullish, the buyers trying to trying to be more dominant than sellers. But the volume of the uh, for this month is on bearish. But if we will make some from weekly technical analysis for this month, this will be the strong level of resistance here. This imbalance of prices is strong level of resistance on the weekly because of this level, guys. This level. This is the area of the weekly 60 moving average, where the prices tend to move upward. This liquidity here, the support level here until this to date, this is the group of buyers. But the weekly overall is on bearish. But these are the area wherein these are the sellers. We will check the sellers soon for the weekly against the buyers. Buyers is more dominant with regards to the numbers here, the volume. But the overall of the weekly is bearish. But if we will check the momentum for this one, okay, guys, still the dominant is the upward. But we will consider that we will be aware of this level here. This might be the strong level of support here in this level. You have to be cautious on this here because prices begin to uh, make some rejection when it will reach on this level here. This is strong level of resistance compared to the rejection from this dynamic support of the 60 moving averages. Okay, right. So if we will check the daily for the day, so here again, this is the 200 moving averages, which the prices tend to move upward, as I've said. But back to the weekly, it shows some uh, you cannot say that this upward momentum will continue. This level might be there will be a rejection even in this level. So you have to be careful, watchful of this trading with the gold. Even if this is 200, it will reject here and then back to here this level. This is a strong level of resistance. But here you have to be cautious on the daily and even in the 4 hours. We'll check the 4 hours here. There's accumulation of demand here. So if you will consider what will be the point of interest, the TUR for this gold, we'll check that one. There might be a trend line, breaking the trend line and breaking this 200 moving averages for the 4 hours. Prices tend to continue moving upward. Okay? But on the daily, you have to consider also this one because this here, this liquidity, the previous day, the liquidity, you have to consider this in the daily. What will be the daily? Daily might be okay, huh? In the daily, this bearishness may continue. This bearishness may continue, but you have to be. This bearishness may continue until maybe until this level only here, and then here, and then back to the upward. Uh, it will be some revisit of this level and then move upward. But you have to be cautious, guys, because of this level. Prices may tend to encounter here. Consider this one here. You will trade only short term because of this 200 moving average for the 4 hours is very it's very apparent. So you will find some it might be a strong level of yeah. Consider this one. You have to consider this trend line. Yeah, this trend line liquidity. Maybe you can. This is a very 200 moving above. So it might bounce back and then hitting again that one. Then you have to wait for the formation because this is Friday. Since this is Friday, back to weekly. Yeah. If you will ask me what will be happen next, the price is between two on the weekly. Yeah. Since this is Friday, monthly, because since we know that gold is the 50 okay, right? And overall, in the higher time frame, it shows that gold will continue to go higher, move higher. But in the weekly or daily, you will encounter some correction. But overall, gold will still continue to be more dominant, the buyers. Okay, there have been when I read the news today about the FOMC. Okay, gold will because of the inflation, dollar may strengthen against gold, but an overall in the monthly, gold is still on the more dominant as based on the indicator. Okay, since in the monthly it's just some bearishness of the volume, but as you can say, buyers more dominant. It may continue until that level. But you have to be watchful on the Monday. We will make some technical analysis for the Monday. We will check if what will happen with the market close on the Saturday morning Philippine time. Okay, so that's for today for the gold. You can trade. You can still trade gold, scalping, and wait for the. Considering even in the news on the market, what gold is nearing, even it is on upward, but it's nearing on this level of resistance that you have to be watchful. Okay, you have to be watchful that if that will resistance will be broken, or it may cause rejection of the upward to back to the support. Okay. So that's our for today. In the monthly, you can consider this as a strong level of support. This one here. Okay, that's for today. That's for my analysis. But overall, gold is still dominant for the upward momentum. Okay, guys, thank you. Be have to be to closely monitor every now and then. We will keep some update for this metal.